Roberts, Alito, and Harriet Miers, the failed nominee. When all three of these nominees were put forward for the 2 Supreme Court vacancies, almost all of the discussion was about social issues. Are they going to rule against abortion rights and affirmative action and environmental protections and things like that? And that kind of swallowed up the conversation. And I think that obscured something very significant about all 3 of those nominations, and that is that all 3 of these nominees were presidential lawyers. They had each spent years working inside a White House, or in Alito's case, the Justice Department, on issues directly related to expanding executive power. They had taken positions that were even stronger than their own colleagues inside of Republican administrations in certain cases, but they'd been marinating in these disputes from the point of view of the White House. And that meant that they were going to bring to the bench a great interpretation of sort of maximal presidential power, of deferring to the executive. In the Guantanamo case this year, maybe, but who knows what it'll be 5 or 10 years ago, 10 years from now, where the White House is making some claim of power. They are more likely to side with the White House. And there was a huge range of very prominent, very qualified, very conservative lawyers, academics, lower court judges from whom the administration could have chosen. I just think it's very telling that each time they went to this very narrow slice of the conservative legal universe, which is executive branch legal warriors, 3 out of 3. And so that I think that is a part of the groundwork that they've been, an integral part of the groundwork that they were laying on many different tactical fronts for a long-term expansion of executive power.
This excerpt is brought to you by the Massachusetts School of Law, the leader of reform in legal education and a leader in multimedia education for the public. To view the full interview and for a full listing of MSL's programs, log on to mslaw.edu.